I'm Carolyn Rourke, the writing Texan. Let's talk about proofreading. A proofreader is the last editor to engage with your manuscript, and their job is to make sure that the manuscript is as technically perfect as possible so that you can look as professional as possible. They identify and correct mistakes in spelling, grammar, and punctuation that have not been spotted by anybody else who's read the content, and there are always some of these. They may also flag spacing issues or other layout problems like widows and orphans, kerning, erroneous indentations, or other visual glitches on the page. If they have access to an editable file, they will do this in the manuscript using the track changes feature. If they are reading through a non-editable file, like many PDFs, they should note any errors that they find on the margins of the page. Even if you have used an editing program like Grammarly or the spell check in your word processing program, and even if you don't hire an editor for any other stage of the writing process, you should always hire a cold eye proofreader. What does a cold eye proofreader mean? It means somebody who has never encountered the manuscript before and comes to it with an entirely fresh perspective. I do not offer proofreading as a standalone service. However, I have several experienced professional proofreaders in my network, and I am happy to make connections. I also include a full proofread by a professional cold eye proofreader in all of my ghostwriting packages. I'm Carolyn Rourke, and I look forward to talking to you about your writing, editing, and publishing needs.